Hello, goodies, and welcome to Sneha's blog. So, this blog is all about Global Village. So, the entry charge is 20 AED per person, that is around 400 INR. Global Village, welcome to a world where 90 cultures come together. And it is a renowned hub blending culture, entertainment, and shopping experience from around the globe. So, guys, I went to the Turkey Pavilion and the showpieces there, the evil eyes, and the mirrors were so beautiful. I tried the Turkish sweet there, ice cream baklava, and the Turkish baked potato. These were really yummy. To be honest, Turkey Pavilion is the most chaotic but in a good way. So, guys, Global Village is open for only 6 months. It opened from 18th October 2023 to 28th April 2024, and its opening time is 4 p.m. So, if you are planning to go, please plan accordingly. So, guys, the most convenient way of reaching to the Global Village is by bus. If you are near Algobaiba metro station, you can take the bus 104 and reach to the Global Village. Then after I went to the Indian pavilion, I tried the chai and samosa there. It was really nice. Thereafter I went to the Egyptian pavilion, and the Egypt pavilion at Dubai Global Village offers an enchanting experience that transports you to the land of ancient wonders. Global Village Dubai is absolutely worth visiting as you can participate in an enormous celebration of the beautiful diversity of the world over here. It is the world's largest shopping, tourism, and leisure destination. It was really nice being there. Thereafter, I went to the Iraq Pavilion, and the main attraction in the Iraq Pavilion is the art. This is the real deal, original oil painting and other art forms straight from Baghdad. Some of the art is sold directly from the artist. I was really amazed with the behavior of the people there. I didn't even thought they are so welcoming. When I went to a chocolate shop there, I was just looking for some chocolates. Then the shopkeeper guy he mentioned you can taste the chocolate. I was little surprised. But then he mentioned you can taste the chocolate even if you do not buy. And I tasted the chocolate and it was really delicious. He didn't even charge a penny from me for that chocolate. Honestly, people were very nice there. So, guys, Global Village is less crowded on Monday. So, to escape the crowd, Monday are preferable. Choose your preferred event and then choose the best time to visit Global Village, Dubai. Tuesdays are for women and families only. So, if you're guys, they wouldn't allow you to enter. Thursday and Friday evenings are great for spectacular firework displays. You can experience different dance forms in all corner of the global village. You can just watch and enjoy the time and the dance shows. You can enjoy the great food like get mango ice cream at the floating village and the cheesecake in Japan. Cool things to see and buy. I love talking to the vendors, and the global village itself is just impressive. Definitely give yourself at minimum 4 hours to enjoy. I met with this guy and had a juice, and it was really yummy. After that, it was about to leave from there and had great pictures, and it was really a nice time.